Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore electronics and its branches. Electronics is a broad field, but the main branches are analog electronics, digital electronics, power electronics, and embedded or communication electronics. Analog electronics deals with continuous signals such as amplifiers, filters, and radio circuits. Digital electronics deals with discrete signals, zeros and ones. Example microprocessors, logic gates. Power electronics focuses on controlling and converting electrical power, example inverters, motor drives, power supplies. Ever wonder how tiny circuits boost weak signals or filter sound? Meet the operational amplifier, or simply op-amp. An operational amplifier compares two inputs, one inverting, one non-inverting, and multiplies the difference by a huge gain. In simple terms, it makes small signals big, very big. With just a few resistors and capacitors, op-amps can amplify, buffer, filter, integrate, or even do math with voltages. They're hidden inside audio systems, medical devices, sensors, and even your phone. So next time you hear music or measure a signal, remember, an op-amp is working quietly behind the scenes. Follow for more quick electronics tips.